I want you to think experimentation or experimenting versus results. See, when we are focused on results, it's all or nothing, it's perfection. I either succeed or I fail. That's it. That's what results focus does. Now, results are a ruler. They are not a death sentence. They're not something to be avoided. There's something to be looked at, embraced, measured, monitored. It gives you feedback on how you're doing. What I need you to do is step back and be curious. Don't have any presuppositions. Don't make up any stories. And then put some experiments together that are going to help you get to where you want to go.